AI, we have many chatbots, ChatGPT, OpenAI. They will give you solutions to many things, but those require much more energy. You can text yourself. When you put a question in a search engine, the answer comes right away. AI put a question, you see it's not one, it's just going step by step by step, 1, 2, 3 like this. So that means it is taking much more electricity or energy to answer your question. So for simple things, AI is not very efficient. Because 10 times more time means 10 times more electricity being consumed to make the answer believable. Here's the problem. Today we are at this conference, cop29, focusing on global warming, climate change, CO2 emissions, all that. The more electricity you use to get an answer, more CO2 you'll produce. Because today, globally, more than half of the electricity coming from coal or oil or gas today. A lot of CO2 coming up. So, what is the solution? The way I look at it as a researcher, I said, you have to look at questions, don't put everything in the same box. If simple questions don't need to go to AI. If you go to AI, make your questions very specific. Otherwise, AI takes a lot of time to think, what are you asking? It doesn't know. Why is the climate changing? Because we have too much fossil fuel, coal, oil, gas being burned. Why you burn so much coal, oil, and gas? Because you need more electricity. So what can you do so that you are running the model not as much, but much less, get the same answer? So my summary is, if you have a smart question, you get a smart answer quickly. If you have a dumb question, take a long time. In some cases, AI is useful and efficient, like radiology. You do X-ray machine, you do X-ray, but some doctor has to interpret what this means. They do that. AI is a good tool to doing that. AI can do it for you faster. So some cases, AI is very useful even today. But if you do general AI, like students, scientists, should not use AI as a starting point. Do your own thinking as much as you can, then go to AI, use AI with specific questions. This is a new challenge, AI and energy. Virginia, where I live, has world's highest concentration of data centers, highest in the world in Virginia. So we are getting a lot of challenges to provide electricity for the existing data centers, and then they want to build more data centers in Virginia. My solution is we have to build more efficient chips so that they require less energy to the same function. So that's how we will deal with this problem, call it new chip design to reduce the energy consumption per computation load.